Welcome back to R for economics. Now we're going to talk about how we can merge tables together. So let's say we have table 1, which is column 1, ABC, column 2, very kicks, and we have a table 2 with ABD, crazy loud cool. We can look at our two tables and we can see that they have some common elements in column 1 and then nothing common except for this berry in column 2 of the first table 1. So we can merge these together simply with the merge command. And what that'll do is go through and say, okay, so by column, that should have been by column 2. No, it should have actually been by column 1. What it's going through is saying, okay, I'm going to see what's common in column 1 for both of these, for both the X and the Y. And I'm going to only retain things that are common, which is the AB. So it's only going to keep very and crazy loud. If I want to do this automatically without having to specify X and .y, I can just simply type that. I don't need it. I can say by column 1. Now, if I want to retain all the columns, no matter if there's a match, true match or not on column 1, I just include the all with equal to true. So now I've retained them all. So now I have A, B, and C and D, but now I have not applicable for 2 of my observations. And likewise, I can do that all X and all Y. So this, for these ones, all X, all.x means that I'll keep everything in the first table and I will drop things in the second table which don't match. In all.y is true, then I'll keep everything in the second table, table 2, and drop anything which doesn't match, A, B, D, so C is gone in table 1. Another option is to use the cbind command. Cbind will just mash these two things together as long as they have the same number of rows or the same number of columns in the case of rbind. It'll just stack them up. So it's like putting one next to the other. So it doesn't give you the distinction between C and D. For the best option, if you've got a C and D and you want to still retain everything, it's still this one up here where we have all equals T, because then I get to retain everything and I get to common up the column 1. But rbind and cbind are useful if you're making new columns that you want to add to an existing table. So table 3, we're going to call DEF and bye love. So if another option is not the install, but the PLYR package, and I need to install that, and then I need to run the library, and then I can rbind and fill one with the other. So this would actually fill in the blanks and maintain it without actually having to need anything else. Okay, where my rbind here did pretty much the same thing. This one would fill in if we had missing values, it would fill them in. Okay, and that's it for the merge operator and the rbind and cbind. And we'll see you in the next video.